Oh, kunwari, prepare ka doon. Go. Ano ba yung handa mo? Happy New Year.
This is, hi, Happy New Year. This is a chicken macaroni salad, Filipino dish, and blend with pineapple and raisin. I have here the fruit salad. So I bought the young coconut. We bought young coconut in town yesterday, and we have here the rice not cooked. Yeah, we have a cotton ball here full of that is for New Year thing. And this is my traditional salted ham. We bake it with pineapple, and we have here the vanilla cake and the traditional chow mein. So this is my 12 fruits, and of course the new product here,
El Presidente.
El Presidente beer. So that's it for New Year. Let's eat. Bye bye.
Hello,
Hello,
Happy New
Happy
Year
New
to
Year.
everybody. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yay!
Yay!